G'day, I'm Paul. Today is going to be unreal, I'm not going to lie. This is a Ferrari 812C. It's finished in an orange Lamborghini colour, and that is a Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae, which is finished in a Cadbury chocolate colour. Alvors, run us through the specs on that, and that is the last NA V12, right?
It's actually not, obviously the new ones are hybrid, but it's still NA, but this is the last best, in my opinion, of the NA V12s. It is a 6.5 litre V12. It's got 574 kilowatts of power and 720 newton meters of torque. It'll do 2.8 to 100. It is absolutely ballistic off the line. I'm just not sure how it'll go after I get off the line, so it's going to be really close.
Yeah, look, I mean, these are absolutely iconic cars. This is a naturally aspirated V12 and rear-wheel drive, and that is all-wheel drive. And I think off the line, you're going to have a better advantage. We've tried to warm the tyres up as much as we can, but this is an unprepped surface, so we'll see how we go. First, we're going to do a quarter-mile run, then we're going to do a roll race, and then at the end, we're just both going to be quiet, so you can hear what these sound like across the quarter mile, and I tell you what, they sound ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. So I just want to give a massive thank you to Caltex. Caltex is helping us cover the cost of this event. It is very expensive to do this, and we really appreciate their support in making this happen. And our good friend Lawrence as well, who is loaning us his amazing cars for these videos. So let's saddle up and give this a crack.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, bogged down.
Yeah, baby.
Bogged down massively.
Yeah, baby. I'm winning. Oh, yes. Glory to Lamborghini.
Oh, I'm catching him, I'm catching him. Go, 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 go. Oh, that was so close.
Yes. Oh. Oh, yes.
Oh, man. Normally I have time to speak and have just some kind of reaction, but I was shitting myself the entire time there. So I bogged down off the line, but by the end, I was reeling you in your expensive Volkswagen there.
Mate, that Fiat is not as fast as you think. I had you off the line. I was like half a kilometer ahead before you even blinked. My reaction time is like, I mean, I'm pretty sure that there's an F1 seat for me somewhere next year.
Yes, just moving the cars around in the car park, I suspect. Yes, all-wheel drive, my friend. That is what helped you there. I think we're going to go back again. I'm going to try just launching one more time. We'll just see if we can get a slightly better launch off the line now that the tyres are warm. And I think I'll have you.
So what you're saying is you're going to try and cheat and get off the line slightly quicker.
And look, worst case, you can have the standing start, but I will have your ass for the rolling race. All right, here we go. He's got all-wheel drive. Of course it's going to help. We're on an unprepped surface here on a runway, so let's see what happens.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, he got the jump.
Yes! Yes!
Oh, and I had a perfect launch.
Oh, I'm so much faster.
Damn it. See, Alvors, unless you have this incredible ability to look into the future, roughly half a second into the future, you need to go when she says go, not half a second before she says go.
Mate, I left on go. You were just too slow off the line.
I had the perfect launch then. We're going to do that one more time, and this time I encourage you to leave when she says go and not half a second beforehand. Okie dokie. I've got him this time. As long as the tyres stay warm, I've got him.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes, 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 yes. Go, 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 go. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yes! Come on! Come on!
Come on, come on, come on! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Come on!
Yes, I'm still winning.
Ah!
comprehensive defeat.
Yes, I got some slip off the line there. I'm going to let you have the standing start win. Let's go back now and do some roll racing. G'day, I'm Paul. We are filming our next drag race series where we take some of the fastest cars on the road and pit them up against each other to see which is quickest. The cars we're running today are powered by premium 98 Caltex with Techron. Caltex with Techron has been scientifically proven to help clean and protect engines. A clean engine helps maximize power and acceleration, providing better fuel economy, reliable performance, and delivering a smoother drive. Head to caltex.com/au for more information, and I'll see you on the finish line. Okay, so we're going to do some roll racing now. We're both going to go with different strategies here. I'm going to go second gear, and at 50 k's an hour, cameraman Igor, is going to drop his hat and we're going to take off. Elbo's going to go in first though, which is an interesting strategy. He is known to cheat, so I wonder if there's something that's been diddled with in that car.
I'm going to need all the torque I can get.
All right, let's do it. All right, here we go, baby. I'm primed, I'm ready, as long as it's not on the white stuff. Yes! Come on! Yes! See ya!
Come on! God damn it!
Yes! Oh, the destruction!
Alright, I lost that one.
Maranello wins. So just run me through what happened there, champion.
Alright, look, I did lose that one. I'm not sure if second gear is going to help, but I would like to give it a go.
Yeah, I'll give you one more chance. Anything to just get one more up on you. All right, we're going to do that one more time. Elbows is going to change his strategy here ever so slightly. It will not help him. I'm going to leave my strategy alone and just stay in second, which I think is the optimum place to be. Here we go.
Come on!
The sound is so good.
All right.
My work here is done.
Well, I kind of feel like if you were at a red light, which is usually when these things get drag raced, you would still lose, right?
Yes, look, I will admit that, but I just love the fact that Ferrari has kept this pure. They've kept it rear-wheel drive, V12, front engine. It is just a magnificent car. I absolutely love it. I adore it. Now, this is where I'm going to throw to the part where I'm just going to be quiet and you get to hear what these cars sound like accelerating down the quarter mile. That was genuinely insane. I can't believe we're here doing this. Thank you to the town of Wildcatcham for having us here. Please come by, it's about 2.5 hours away from Perth. Nice little drive, beautiful scenery, nice airport. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because we have a stack more drag races coming with some absolutely incredible cars. So we cannot wait to share those with you. Subscribe, press the bell icon, and if you enjoyed this video, like it and share it with your mates. But until next time, take it easy.